Class 6 History and Civics. Chapter number 4, the Vedic Civilization. Students, in previous video we studied about the agriculture and animal husbandry in the Vedic period. Today we are going to discuss the economic and social. In Vedic period also agriculture was an occupation, correct? And in this period they also used the animal for the farming, and economic life also was the flourished in this period. They used mainly to cow to exchange. The means of exchange was they used to cows. That's why cow was very highly prized. During the Vedic period, there were 4 varnas: the Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. These 4 varnas, a varna was determined by the occupation of the people. This varna was determined by the occupation of the people. In the latter period, the varnas come to be determined on the basis of birth. But in Vedic period, this one was determined by the occupation. But after later some period, the ones come to determine the basis of birth. This gives rise to castes. This caste system lead to inequality in the society. Today we all also use the caste system, correct? During the Vedic period, certain nations about the leading an ideal life had become well established. There were 4 stages of our ashram. From birth to death, the first ashram was the Brahmacharya ashram for the period of staying with Guru to learn from him. The next stage after the successful completion of the Brahmacharya ashram was the Grahastha ashram. It was accepted that during this period a man would carry out his duties towards his family and society with the help of his wife. And the third stage was the Vanaprastha ashram. When a man was accepted to detach himself from the household, retire to solitary place and lead a very simple life, it means the Vanaprastha ashram. The fourth stage was the Sannyas ashram. At this stage, the convention was to renounce all relations, lead life in order to understand the meaning of human life and not stay in one place. These are the 4 ashrams leading the ideal life had become well established. These are the Brahmacharya ashram, Grahastha ashram, Vanaprastha ashram and Sannyas ashram. In Brahmacharya ashram, you just follow the Brahmacharya. You go to our teachers, our guru's home and to take the education. After the completion of the Brahmacharya ashram, you just entry in the Grahastha ashram. In Grahastha ashram, you want to fulfill your duties with the help of our wife. And next stage of this ashram is Vanaprastha ashram. In Vanaprastha ashram, you must detach to himself and from the household entire to a solitary place. And the Sannyas ashram, the 4th and last stage in the ashram system. In this system, convention was to renounce all relations, lead life in order to understand the meaning of human life. I hope students you understood here the social life in the Vedic period. Thank you.